Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get laser grid seeds in Growtopia. First, you'll need to gather a few essential items. We'll then walk through the straightforward crafting process. Finally, I'll show you how to use your new laser grid seeds effectively and discuss their advantages for your world. Let's get started on creating these valuable seeds for your farming needs. To begin, you'll need two primary items: a laser rifle and a grid block. You can acquire a laser rifle by purchasing it from other players or by breaking laser grid blocks. Grid blocks are commonly found in various worlds or can be bought. Make sure you have one of each in your inventory before proceeding to the next step. Now for the crafting process. Simply combine the laser rifle and the grid block. You can do this by dragging one item onto the other in your inventory, or by using a splicing station for a more organized approach. This combination will instantly create one laser grid seed. It's a quick and easy process once you have the components. Once you have your laser grid seeds, you can plant them in your world just like any other seed. After they grow, you can harvest the laser grid blocks. These blocks are excellent for creating efficient farming setups, as they provide a good number of gems and experience. They also offer a unique aesthetic for world design. Enjoy your new laser grids.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.